Hey, so my name's Rebecca Bennett and I'm from Harmon, West Virginia. I work at the little rural clinic in Harmon. I do, they call it a care manager, interacting with the patients, doing patient intake and blood draws. Having the flexibility of the online nursing program gives me the flexibility that I need to still be able to be a mom and be a wife and have a career. I'm looking forward to starting this program so I can advance my education and move further in my career as a nurse. My daughter started back to college to get her bachelor's degree in accounting, and she said, "You should do something too." And I said, I don't know what I want to do. And she said, "Oh, go to the junior college through their online programs." And I said, okay, let's do it. And here we are. So because I'm enrolled in the WVJC online nursing program, it has opened up another job opportunity for me at the employer where I work at right now. When Amy asked me, what my future, what I plan to do, and I said, well, I'll start school at the end of September through the junior college or online RN program, and she said, that's perfect because that's just what we need. I never dreamed that I would be the first student enrolled, the first one to pass my TEAS exam and be admitted. Everybody here at the college is so great. They're all so supportive. They answer your questions. They don't make you feel rushed. They're really, really great and helpful and understanding.